When quilting 9-patch blocks with 2 different colors of fabric, I love to use contrasting designs to really show that off. For one color, I'll use a continuous curve, and then I'll combine it with a contrasting straight line to quilt an X. The best part, I can do the whole block without starting and stopping. You can start this design anywhere you want, but I prefer to start at a corner of the inner square, so I'm going to use traveling to get me to that point. So I'm going to start by quilting a line that curves to the next corner. At this point, I can go ahead and quilt the outer orange block because I know that continuous curve will return me to my starting point. And now that I'm touching the white square, I'm going to go ahead and quilt my X. I'm going to quilt a line diagonal to the other side, travel, repeat. I know I need to get back to the point that I started that square, so I'm going to incorporate one last line of travel to get there. Now another line that curves out to get me to the next corner of my block. And repeat, quilting those curved lines that go from corner to corner to corner. Another white square to quilt an X in, doing the same thing. And again, another curve in the center square going to the next corner. As you can tell, I'm using the quilting design in the center square to help me get into each of the corners and each of the side blocks of that 9-patch. If at any point you get lost or you're not sure where to go, just stop and ask yourself, where do I need to go? And then figure out how you can get there. And the best part about this design is that when I'm finished, I'm back at the edge of the block so that I can continue on quilting block after block after block without breaking thread.